Hello and welcome to another holiday gift buying guide here at Horizon Hobby. Today we're going to talk about gifts under $100, and this may be one of my favorite categories because this is like the hidden gems on the website and you don't have to break the bank buying this stuff. So a lot of people don't know we have apparel. We have branded apparel on our website. TLR, Arma, Axial, Blade, Spectrum, Losi, hats, shirts, caps. We have it all. A lot of stuff that people won't necessarily buy themselves, but it makes for a great gift for someone who's really into a particular brand. Accessories, we have pit stands, as you see here, engine starters, the Spectrum Smart Battery Checker and Servo Driver is a great gift for people as well. Receivers. I'm going to say that over and over because you can never have too many receivers. We have a couple of those listed as well. Also, transmitter cases, surface and air. A lot of us don't buy this for ourselves because we don't feel that we need it until maybe it's too late. Maybe we drop the transmitter. Makes for an excellent gift for someone else. Let's talk about planes and helicopters. We have the Ready to Fly Blade 70S included in this. We have the UMX Radiant. We have actually a couple planes that are under $100. Just make sure, this is just a small sampling. Click the link in the description to see the whole list of items. Oh, up there to our tree chopper, the Blade Indutrix FPV Plus also included as well. So click the link, you're gonna see a whole plethora of things that are under $100. And make sure you watch our other gift guide videos because we're gonna talk about all this other stuff and how it relates to you. So thanks for tuning in and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.